I'm gonna put it on high heat. Yes, I love high heat. I will not justify it, okay? Hey everyone, I'm Hope from Team Sephora, and you can see I've got a couple different hairstyles going on right now. This is my natural fluffy curly hair, but sometimes I just wanna go sleek and straight, so I'm gonna show you how I go from this to this with some of my favorite products. Okay, so I'm gonna clip up the section that I already did to protect it. I like to blow dry my hair in 3 sections, so I'm gonna clip up the hair that I'm not working on. It feels good. So this bottom section, I'm gonna take a little comb, make sure we've got all the tangles out. And then I'm gonna take one of my favorite products to prevent frizz. This is the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray Anti-Frizz Treatment, and I just spray it liberally through my hair. It's kind of like a raincoat for your hair. It really helps prevent frizz, and it just kind of coats all of the strands. It's like a little mini keratin treatment. Okay, so now I'm ready to blow dry that first section. I'm gonna take the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer, and this is the Dyson comb attachment. She's a game changer. I love her. She has cut my drying time down to half, and it's better for my hair because before I was using a brush that was tugging at my ends, and this just like really glides through. I won't kiss it on camera, but I'd like to, okay? I'm gonna put it on high heat. Yes, I love high heat. I will not justify it, okay? And I'm gonna run it through from root to tip. All right, so this first section is dry, so I'm just gonna do the same thing to the next 2 sections. All right, my second section is done, so I'm gonna move on to my final section. I also wanted to mention to you all that this is a heat protectant up to 450 degrees, so I'm still gonna maintain the integrity of my curls, which we love. We love versatility, okay? Okay, so we are done blow drying. So this is what it looks like before flat iron. So it's still poofy, but we smoothed out the curls and we're working on the texture right now. And the next thing I do is I go in with my Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. So this is also a heat protectant. So again, we get the heat protection from the flat iron to maintain our curls, but we're also getting that silky smooth, like at-home silk press look. So I just take a little bit into my palm of my hand, and then I work it through the mid-lengths to ends, concentrating on the ends, because your girl needs a trim. And then in the front pieces too, because those tend to be more susceptible to heat damage. Okay, so now that I have my bonding oil in my hair, which is my heat protectant for my flat iron, I'm gonna go in with the Dyson Corral hair straightener. We love her. The way that the plates are shaped on this, you can get so close to the root. You will not see the 2 textures. And you have a really hard time burning yourself. If you grew up having your hair flat ironed or hot combed by someone, you know what I'm talking about. And I love this one. It was actually a gift from my mom. Thank you. It was a holiday gift. So this was a special edition color, but they have the original ones and they do the same thing, trust me. Okay, starting with smaller sections than I did when I was blow drying. I'm gonna start from the back again and then pin the rest up. And I'm gonna turn my flat iron on and I turn her up all the way. All or nothing. We've got the heat protection in. So I'm gonna wait for it to heat up. It'll take just a minute. All right, I'm gonna start in the back and then I'm gonna flip it under because I'm gonna do a little voluminous curl. I'm gonna mimic a blowout today. So I just go like that. And I'll do that to the rest of the hair in little sections. And you'll see the flat iron, it is steaming, but this one caps out at 410. So it's not burning your hair. Plus we have all that heat protection in. First section is done. Clipping her back. And we'll move on. So you'll see I like to get super close to the root and do a couple of runs through, just to really focus on that texture so I don't have that curly root and like straight mid-lengths to ends. It's all gonna be the same texture throughout. And then I flip. We're doing gymnastics with our flat iron. All right, that second section is done. Almost done. So this is what we get. Silky smooth. It feels very soft. I do need a trim, but it still feels very like luscious, and it has so much body, and it definitely mimics the look of a blowout. I just wanna like keep running my hands through and flipping it. But I do have one last step. I'm going to use the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother Reparative Styling Cream. And this is a great like just way to top off the look. It gives you that shine, that sheen, and it seals everything to get that hair commercial look. Using just a little bit. And I'm gonna twirl my hair in the direction of the curls just to set them. All right, it's feeling smooth. I'm gonna go lay down my edges and make sure that my curls are looking the same on both sides. Okay, so I took down the other side and brushed it out. I laid my edges down, my baby hairs, and this is how it turned out. It definitely looks like a sleek salon blowout, a little silk press moment. Now I do love my curly hair, but sometimes it's, like I said, it's just nice to switch it up. If I take care of this, I can make it last a week if I'm putting it in a bonnet at night or wrapping it up. Let us know what hair videos you would like us to do next. We're always open to new ideas. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.